In this video, we're going to show you how to install the fog light bulb on your Subaru Legacy located in the front bumper. Now from underneath the vehicle, you want to go ahead and access the back of your fog light by dropping down this portion of our splash guard. Now I'm going to use my trim tool. You want to pop out the buttons on the bottom here. Go ahead and pull this down. You're going to access the back of the fog light right here. There's a black plastic cap that attaches here, but there's also an electrical connector right here. So you're going to push in on the back of this connector, push down that tab, and wiggle this off. Now the black cap itself will twist off, twist it counterclockwise, and pull that off. You're going to pull these wires out of the back of the cap, releasing this. Now, one is a male connector, the other one is a female connector, so you can't mess those up. Now, right here is a little spring clip. What you're going to do is you're going to push on this little spring loop here, and you're going to pull it down, and that will actually swing away. You can grab that wire there and pull that bulb out like so. Now, the wire that's right below it, this here is normally a replaceable component as well. So you want to go ahead and grab that and gently wiggle this off. Just like so. Go ahead and take your bulb. Make sure that little spring clip is back. You want to go ahead and line that up. There's little tabs or little notches on the back side of the bulb assembly. So it's going to push in and it's going to actually lock into place. And then take that little spring clip and you're going to push that over and push it into the little metal tab, the little retainer tab there. You're going to take your ground wire here and it simply slides onto the little spade connector on the bottom. Push that on. Take your cap. And inside you want to go ahead and connect these wires. Press your ground wire on there. Take the bulb connector here. Insert that into the receptacle there. And then we're going to take the cap, line this up. And this is the twist lock design. There we go. So we have the cap on and we have the connector facing down at an angle. Now we're going to turn this clockwise and it'll lock at 6 o'clock. Take your connector and push this up and on. You're going to hear and feel that connect. And we'll go ahead and push our splash shield back up and on. Install your push pins here. You want to go ahead and repeat this process for the other side, then you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.